Good morning, everyone. This is Harini, Assistant Professor from BCom General Department. In this video, we are going to discuss about the material costing. First, we'll look into the meaning of material costing. A material costing method is an accounting technique based to determine the total cost of material associated with producing a product or providing a services. It takes into an account both direct and indirect cost, such as labor and overheads, in order to provide an accurate picture of the total cost for material. Next, we look into the objectives of an material costing. The first, to charge a cost of a material used on a realistic and consistent basis. Second, to measure the cost of production and the cost of sales. Third, to provide a satisfactory basis for a valuation of stocks for recognizing the same in the balance sheet. Fourth, the system followed should be achieved by adopting a subsystem which is administratively feasible yet to effective. Next, purchase of an material. Purchasing of a material refers to a procurement of material for a price. It is usually handled by a specific department. A raw material procurement process involves researching, selecting, ordering, and paying for raw material required for a business. Next, we look into the levels of stock. So there are various levels of stock. So first we look into one by one. The first one is average stock level. For that, to calculate the average stock level, we have a formula, that is minimum level plus 1 by 2 reorder quantity, or a minimum level plus maximum level by 2. Next, we have danger level. So danger level is a level which is only emergency material issued is done. Next, it is a level at which urgent ordering action is required. If danger level is below minimum level, urgent correction action is required. If danger level is above the minimum level, it calls for preventive action. Next, it depends on a rate of consumption and reorder period. So formula for that is normal consumption rate into maximum reorder period for emergency purchases. So we have different stock levels like minimum level, maximum level, safety stock, buffer stock, reorder level, and danger level. Such types of stock level of an inventory. For a minimum level, we have a formula. Minimum level of inventory equal to reorder level minus average usage into average lead time. Next, maximum level. So maximum reorder level of inventory is equal to reorder level plus reordering quantity minus minimum consumption into maximum reorder quantity. Next level is average stock level. So average stock level is equal to minimum stock level plus 1 by 2 of reorder quantity. Next, danger level. Danger level of inventory is equal to average consumption into maximum reorder period for emergency purchase. Last one is reordering level. So reordering level or an ordering level is equal to maximum rate of consumption into maximum reorder period. Next one is a meaning of EOQ, economic ordering quantity. So economic ordering quantity is an inventory management technique that helps to make an effective inventory management decision. It refers to an optimal amount of inventory a company should purchase in order to meet its demand while minimizing its holding and storage costs. Next, ABC analysis. ABC analysis classifies inventory items into three categories based upon their values and importance to the business. A. High level items. B. Medium value items. C. Low value items. So A items are typically a most expensive and most important, should be managed with extra care and attention. Next, issue of a material. A material issue or a stock checkout manages the process of pulling and realizing stock items from the storeroom. Material issue processing occurs as follows. A person from the issuing storeroom can verify availability within the system, then realize and release issue the items. So there are various methods for issuing the raw materials from the store. So first one is a pricing of a material. It classifies into three: cost price method, average cost price method, and notional price method. So under cost price method, it further classified into FIFO, that is first in first out. Next LIFO, last in first out. Next specific price method. Next base stock method. Next one is IFO, highest in first out method. In average cost price method, it's classified into simple average cost price method. Next weighted average cost price method. In notional price method, it is further classified into three, that is standard cost price method, inflated cost price method, and reuse cost price method. First, FIFO. So FIFO stands for first in first out method. It is a method for organizing and managing data that is based on the principle that the item that is stored first is the item that is retrieved first. In other words, the old item in the system is the first one is to be proceed. Next, LIFO. LIFO means last in first out. It's an inventory valuation method that stipulates that the last item you put into inventory are the first item that is to sell at the start of in accounting year. Next one, IFO, highest in first out method. So this is the method of accounting for a firm's inventories wherein the highest cost items are the first to be taken out of the stock. Next one is specific price method. So specific price method can be used only when it is possible to identify the specific material for a specific price. When materials are purchased for a specific job, this method can be used. Next one is simple and weighted average method. In simple average method, issue of price of a material are fixed at average unit price. Simple average is the average of price without considering the quantitative involved. The average price is calculated by dividing the total of the rate of the material in a store by the number of rate of the prices. So next is the meaning of store ledger. The store ledger is a type of accounting system used to track inventories and supplies in the warehouse or store. It is typically includes an information about the quantities of item in stock, their cost, and any transaction related to the movement or sale of those items. So this is the format of the store ledger. So it includes the date, particular, receipt, issue, and